Now next question is question number 7. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? We want to find out the probability that this number is greater than 4, and we have to throw a single die. So when we throw a single die, which cases appear? It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So total cases is equal to 6. On a single die, we know that counting numbers from 1 to 6 appears. So these are the total 6 cases. Next, we want to find out what is the probability of getting a number greater than 4. So how many numbers are greater than 4? And the numbers which are greater than 4 are in our favorable cases. So how many favorable cases we have? 5 and 6. These two cases are favorable cases. So what will be the probability in that case? Favorable cases is equal to 2 favorable cases divided by total cases, and the probability is equal to 1 by 3. This is the answer in case of single die. Now a pair of dice thrown once. When we throw a pair of die, then we obtain which cases? Here 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Next is similarly 2 1, 2 2 up to 2 6, 3 1, 3 2 up to 3 6, 4 1, 4 2 up to 4 6, 5 1, 5 2 up to 5 6, then 6 1, 6 2 up to 6 6. So how many total cases we have? Total cases is equal to 36. So these 36 cases are the total cases. Now next one is, we want to find out the probability of getting a total of 5 on 2 dice. Sum is equal to 5. When we obtain number on 2 die, then sum of these two numbers is equal to 5. We want to find out this condition. Now find out first. When we obtain sum is equal to 5, if combination are 1 4, because 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Next one is 4 1, yes, 4 plus 1 is also equal to 5. Next is 2 3, yes, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And next is 3 2. And no any other case exists when we want to find out sum is equal to 5, because out of these cases only these cases exist when we obtain sum is equal to 5. So can we say that only these are our favorable cases? So how many favorable cases we have? Favorable cases is equal to 4, and total cases, how many total cases we have? Total cases is equal to 36. So probability will be equal to favorable divided by total and 1 upon 9. So 1 upon 9 is the answer in this case. So in case of a 2 die, first find out these condition, and suppose in this same question they are asking that find out the probability when sum is equal to 8. If sum is equal to 8, then how many cases we have? The cases which are in our favor. Sum 8, when we obtain 1 7, but on a die 7 number not appear, so we neglect this case. Next is 2 6, yes, 2 is also appear and 6 is also appear. Next one is 6 2, second 3 5, and reverse of this number 5 3, and next one is 3, next is 4 4. So how many cases we have? 2 6, 6 2, 3 5, 5 3. So these 5 cases are in our favor. These are favorable cases, and total cases is again 36. So probability in that case will be equal to 5 divided by 36 if we want to find out the sum appears 8. So this type of question you have to solve by this procedure.